Hey gang, Poppy here. This is Heart Health 8. Transportation and tolerance. Now that you're a heart patient, transportation is going to be very, very much more important to you. Getting to the hospital quickly so you don't die. Getting to those tests so they can find out just exactly what's wrong with your heart. They can fix it so you don't die. Getting to the hospital for surgery, a minor outpatient surgery where they have to put you out, but you can't come a day ahead of time, right? Show up at dinner time, they give you a bed, that's not allowed. So you got to get there. You got to get up. Nothing since midnight. No breakfast, no coffee. Shitty sleep. Zombified. Stagger to the bus stop. Your wife holding you up so you don't fall down and get an ambulance ride you didn't want. You got to ride across town, catch a shuttle, over the mountain to the hospital. It only runs twice a day. You've got 2 times when you can arrive there. Right? Well, that's absolutely important that you arrive there. It ain't like a flu shot. I mean, you can go to Long's Drugs and some bitch pretending to be not filthy, not a walking two-legged sepsis farm, gonna inject you. No, it's not like that. This is very important. They rigidly schedule everything. That minor test, that probably costs like $10,000. And if you don't show up, your cardiologist eats $10,000. Or the hospital eats $10,000. Anyway, they stop caring about whether you live or die. You become unprofitable. You cost them money and someone else dies because you didn't show up. So you have to have no tolerance. If in the past you suffered fools lightly, well, continue doing that and you're going to die. Those freaking idiots are going to fuck off your life because they can't get there in time to pick you up. They have to go 15 miles out of the way and just drop this card off at my grandmother's house on the way to your heart surgery. No tolerance. Don't be afraid to bitch and scream. Demand someone's head on a silver platter. They are trying to kill you with their stupidity, laziness, and ignoring you. Do not let them do that. It's your life. If you have to make enemies because you told everyone that someone was totally incompetent, do it. Better get them fired than let you and a couple other people get killed by that stupid person. I don't care who it is, a scheduler, a technician, anyone. It's your life. Fight for it. When the idiots try and screw you up, chop them up and feed them to your dog.